This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, an all-new adventure-ready wearable and Samsung's answer to the Apple Watch Ultra. A smartwatch designed to handle anything you can throw at it, Samsung certainly isn't messing around when it comes to durability. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is made from grade 4 titanium and has been tested to mil standard 810H military standards. It packs a sapphire crystal display, which Samsung says can hit a peak brightness of 3000 nits, and features a squared off body to help protect it from bumps and knocks. The watch has been designed to operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees and as high as +55 degrees Celsius. It possesses an IP68 dust and water resistance rating and is certified down to 10 atmospheres. The Watch Ultra is only available in one size, 47mm, but it does come in 3 colours: titanium silver, titanium grey and titanium white. It's also only available as an LTE model. As you might expect, the Watch Ultra is equipped with all the sensors that adventurous types could want or need. Samsung's bioactive sensor tracks your heart rate, blood oxygen level, body composition and more, while there's also a temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor and light sensor. Powering it all is the brand new Exynos W1000 processor, the first chip of its kind built on a 3nm process. It also features the latest iteration of Samsung's operating system for wearables, Wear OS 5. In an attempt to match the stamina of its wearer, the Galaxy Watch Ultra packs a hefty 590mAh battery. That's larger than the 564mAh cell found in the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But exactly how that extra capacity translates to real-world battery performance remains to be seen. With a price tag of £599, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra also undercuts Apple's flagship wearable by £200. While that price difference is unlikely to convince those already locked into the iOS ecosystem to make the switch, Galaxy fans will no doubt appreciate the value this rugged powerhouse offers. On first impressions, there's certainly a lot to like here, but we'll be sure to put the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra through its paces in our full review. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in this watch, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest smartphones, laptops and more.